If you've been listening to the previous ones, I started mentioning about states. We said that every switch port has a few things it can do. It's either in a blocking state, or it's either listening to something, or it's forwarding some traffic. Now, so if it is listening to traffic, if it's listening, when we say a port is listening or is in a listening state, what we mean is that that port is only trying to listen to BPDUs. So it's listening to information like what's the root cost of the switch which I'm connected to, what is the bridge ID of the device I'm connected to, and what is the root bridge ID as known by this device. Now, this information is what we receive when we are on the listening state as a port. So at that time, this information is what we get in from the switch. We get in the information about the bridge ID, root bridge ID of the opposing device. Now, when we are in that state, the device cannot send information. So it cannot send, say, traffic. It cannot forward traffic. It cannot even learn traffic. All it's thinking about is whether or not it gets BPDU information. That's all. But when we get to learning state, with the learning state, this is the point where a switch port will say, okay, I'm receiving information about MAC addresses connected to this device. And so you go to the MAC address table and be putting those information there, blah, blah, blah. That is another state. And at the learning stage, again, you are not past, the port is not forwarding traffic. So when I say traffic, I mean frames. It's not forwarding layer 2 information. It's only receiving information about hello BPDs and also receive information about MAC addresses of devices. So that's what learning state is all about.